Hey y'all, Kevin here, and this is Pure Reviews, where I review all kinds of products. So if you are new to the channel, be sure to hit that subscribe button. And in particular, if you find this video useful or helpful, be sure to hit the like button before you go. Maybe even leave a comment that simply says thanks. Really helps with the channel a ton, and I greatly appreciate it. So today's product is available on Amazon. I've included a link in the description that will take you directly to the product page where you can see the current price point, see if it's on sale, all that lovely information. But what is it? So today's device I want to share with you is a really cool spotting scope. So this is great for hunters or nature lovers, or just if you love to birdwatch, for example. So this was sent over by a company called ESSLNB. And as you can see, here is the box itself. Once you open it up, you are going to get this nice little carrying case to keep all the parts in so you don't lose them and keep them from getting scratched up. Naturally, you're going to get a little user manual that tells you about the product, but we're going to cover all the features here in the video. You are going to get a little cleansing cloth, so that way you can keep the lens free of fingerprints, dust, all that kind of stuff. Now, you are going to get also a little itty bitty tripod, a mounting tripod. If you want, this is perfect for setting up on a table, and it's fully adjustable, so that way it's easy to view the scope. Obviously, though, you can utilize full tripods or a monopod setup, however you want, because it just has a standard screw in a little adapter on the underside, but it's nice that they include a tripod. Now, they do include also an attachment here if you want to take any photos on your cell phone. You have the cell phone mounting, so you're just going to screw this onto the end of the device, and then you're going to position your phone hole right over there, your camera, and then you have this nice adjustable length, so it fits pretty much almost all phones out there, and then it's also fully adjustable, horizontal, and can slide up and down, so it basically will allow you to line up your camera perfectly. Now, here is the device itself. So as you can see, this is a really nice spotting scope. First thing you'll notice, it has this nice little 45-degree angle, which basically it makes it a lot more comfortable when you are looking through the lens itself. Instead of looking down, you have a better position here. The size of this scope itself is about 13.25 inches long. It's about 5 3/4 inches from the top to the bottom, and then about 3/4 inches in width. You have a lens cover, just simply move that off, and now you can see you have a nice big lens. This is a 70mm lens. It does have multiple coatings on here, so that way the coloring is very, very rich and vivid as far as when you're looking through it. It also uses a BAK4 lens itself. Now, on the other end is the eyepiece. The eyepiece itself is a 20mm eyepiece, which also has a flexible part, so if you are wearing glasses or whatnot, you can rotate this and get it to the perfect comfort spot. Now, you'll notice here on the dial that it has a nice little grip here. This is going to allow you to do a 20 times, 30 time, 40 time, 50 time, or 60 time, or anywhere in between as far as that magnification in distance. So on the low end, this reaches about 33 feet away. On the high end, it's going to reach about 130 feet away. So you have a nice range in there as far as your distance that you are looking at, your magnification part. Now, on the little end part here, you'll see this little dial. That is for fine tuning the actual focus itself. So once you use your magnification, get your subject in view of frame, then you can just simply easily move this dial back and forth until you get it perfectly in focus that you wish. On the bottom side, this is where it will go ahead and mount to any type of tripod that you wish. And then, like I said, you can add your cell phone attachment on the end piece so you can take some great photos. But overall, it's a really, really cool device. It's also worth noting that this has a nice water-resistant casing on here. So if it does start raining with you, or you are hunting and you're out and about in the weather, it's going to work really, really fine for you. It also, as you can see, you can pull the lens part here. So if it is super bright and you have a lot more sun to keep from getting those sunbursts, you can pull out the lens here, so that way it covers and gives you more of a shadow effect on the lens part. And it also does have a anti-fog coating on that lens as well. So if you do have temperature changes, you're going to be covered there as well. So if you are looking for a really nice spotting scope, this one is totally worth checking out. If there's something that I haven't quite covered that you're a little curious about, feel free to hit me up in the comment section. I do typically respond to those. That is it till the next video. You guys take it easy. Later. Congrats, you made it to the end of the video. Thank you very much. Greatly appreciated for the support. Be sure to hit that like button on the video. It really, really does help out. And if you have not subscribed yet, go ahead and hit that subscribe button and hit the notification bell if you want to get notified when new videos come out on this channel.